Your dental health, brought to you by Tupelo Smiles Family and Cosmetic Dentistry.
One of the newest pieces of dental technology is a 3D printer. Many dentists and dental labs are using 3D printers to make everything from mouth guards and crowns to retainers and other orthodontic devices. This new technology reduces the time it takes to make these dental products while providing more precision and patient customization. While it used to take weeks to make a retainer, they are now made by a 3D printer in just a few hours. Another application for dental 3D printing is the creation of models to aid in dental surgery techniques. While traditional methods are still common, the use of 3D printing technology in dentistry is expected to rapidly increase. For your dental health, I'm Dr. Richard Karen.
For more information on this topic or to set up an appointment, call Dr. Karen and Dr. Kenny's office at 662-840-1535.